Welcome back to English with Mema. In today's video, I want to talk about punctuation marks. Punctuation marks such as commas, period, or question marks. Punctuation marks are symbols used in writing to clarify meaning, indicate pauses, organize sentences. They help convey the tone, structure, and flow of written language. Here are some common punctuation marks and their purpose. Period. The period is used to indicate end of a sentence that is a statement or declarative. Example, I went to the store. Comma. Comma are used to separate item in a list, set of introductive phrases, clauses, and indicate pause in a sentence. For example, she bought apples, comma, oranges, comma, and bananas. Question mark. The question mark is used to indicate the end of a sentence, that is question or interrogative. Example, what is your name? Exclamation mark. The exclamation mark is used to indicate strong emotion, emphasis, or exclamatory statements. Example, congratulations. Colon. Colon are used to introduce a list, explanation, or quotation. Example, there are three things I love: reading, comma, writing, comma, and traveling. Semicolon. Semicolon are used to connect closely related independent clause or separate item in a list, when commas alone might cause confusion. Example, she loves to hike, semicolon, he prefers to swim. Quotation marks. Quotation marks are used to indicate dialogue, speech, or enclosed titles of short works. Example, he said, I'll be there by 3 o'clock. Apostrophe are used to indicate possession or contraction. Example of possession, the cat's tail. Example of contractions, it's raining. Parentheses is a two bracket are used to enclose additional information or clarification within a sentence. Example, she went to the store which was closed to buy groceries. Dash. Dash are used to indicate a sudden change in thought to set of phrases or to emphasize information. Example, the weather, hot and humid, made it difficult to breathe. Understand and use punctuation correctly is essential for clear and effective communication in writing. Proper punctuation helps convey the intended meaning of the sentence of the text and enhance readability for the readers. I hope you liked today's video and understand punctuation, and I'm going to see you soon in my next video. Till then, happy learning.